How to download and install TikTok Lite on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install TikTok Lite on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top and there you can simply type in TikTok Lite and search for it. And now here on the search result, you can just tap on TikTok Lite, and here once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on install button to start the installation process. And now here with that, you just have to wait for some time for it to install, and here once the installation completes, you can just tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. That's how you can install or download TikTok Lite on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.